Do you love me? Do you need me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to keep this intro short and sweet. This is my take on a sort of glittery haunted pumpkin, or I kind of feel like I'm giving out like glittery pumpkin spice vibes. Everything I used in this video, besides like my foundation and pretty much like everyday stuff, like what I actually used to create this whole thing, is all from the drugstore. So it's pretty much all NYX, and I think there's a Morphe palette that I got for $15 from Ulta. So it's a very inexpensive look to create this holiday. First thing I'm gonna go in with is my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. You can use any concealer or eyeshadow primer. Kylie Jenner Nice Palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Lullaby and just put this all over my lids. The Morphe Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to go in with the shade Mugshot. And with the shade Secret, and start putting this into my crease as well. The NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean. From the Urban Decay Smoked Palette, I'm just going to go ahead and take the shade Blackout. You can use any black eyeshadow you have, it doesn't really matter. Before I go ahead and add any more black, I just kind of wanted to blend this out, get this on. This is not hard, you guys. I have never done a smoky eye on myself before. All you have to do is just be really gentle with it, use a little bit at a time. That's where a lot of people make a mistake, is they just add way too much color and they try to blend it out and it's not going to blend out. So just slowly start, blend it all together, and you'll have a smoky eye. Stila glitter eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Kitten Karma. Just in case this isn't as gold as I would like, I also have the NYX Foil Play. This is in the shade Dagger. Darken things up a little bit, kind of keep blending everything. So before I go ahead and do anything else, I'm going to apply lashes, and I'm using the Ardell Natural 174s. So I am going to apply some Superhero Mascara from IT Cosmetics. Makeup remover wipe, and just kind of clean up this area a little bit. Too Faced Born This Way, and the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation. Using a IT Cosmetics foundation brush today. Just put some of Born This Way on here and mix them together. NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. loose Fit Me powder in the shade 5. I'm just going to very lightly set my under eyes. NYX metallic eyeliner in the shade Gold. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of create the little tears underneath her eye. I'm gonna go back over this with the gold foil, but I just kind of want to draw it out with this first. Taking the super fine side of this brush, I'm going to dip it in some water and then dip it in the NYX foil that I used before, and this just creates like a really pretty foil color. Touch up my eyebrows really quick, and I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I am using the shade 4. Kind of doing a bolder brow than usual because this is such a bold look that I really don't want my brows to get lost. All I did was kind of warm up my face with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, just like I always do. I just bronzed here and here, nothing new or exciting. So in this picture, she does have some darkness down here. It's a pretty thick line. Her nose contour isn't really a nose contour that much. It's kind of just like two pretty thick lines. Start with the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Fill. Very fine angled brush. And just kind of go ahead and start outlining it. Also just use the black liner, but this is just what I picked up. Liquid Crystal Body Liner from NYX. This is in the shade, I don't know, but it's the darkest shade they have. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Loose Glitter. This is the Glitter Brilliance. This is in the shade Gunmetal. Dampen my brush, dip this in the glitter, kind of create like a glitter paste. So we're pretty much done. Now it's just going to be kind of like last minute little touches. I'm going to go back in with the Fit Me powder, set my face with a fan brush. because the Bye Bye Under Eye is pretty moist, I guess. I don't know if that's really the right word. And then taking this foil, I'm just gonna put a little bit kind of like around my face, almost like a highlighter. Going back in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, we're gonna take the color Mugshot and just kind of put this around. Take the foil and some water. So I kind of just created a nice moist little foil, and I'm just gonna put this on my neck.
Do you need me? Do you want me?
To finish this whole look off, we're gonna go ahead and just add some shimmer as our highlighter because, you know, pumpkins need to have highlight too.
Do you love me?
That is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was easy enough to follow. I tried to make it as easy as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. If you did not like this video for some crazy reason, then whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy Halloween!
Do you want me?